Once upon a time in a cozy little house, there was a warm and cheerful kitchen where 4 friends lived. These friends were quite special: Danny the dish, Dolly the doll, Duke the dog, and Denny the dice. They all loved playing together and helping out around the house. One sunny afternoon, after a big and fun picnic in the backyard, the kitchen was filled with dirty dishes. The sink was full, and the countertops were messy. It was time to clean up, and the friends knew just what to do. Danny the dish was the first to speak up. "Hey everyone, look at this mess. We need to clean up the kitchen so it sparkles again." Dolly the doll nodded, her yarn hair bouncing as she agreed. "You're right, Danny. Let's work together and get it all cleaned up." Duke the dog wagged his tail excitedly. "Woof! Cleaning can be fun when we do it together." Denny the dice rolled around, landing on a 6. "Let's make a game out of it. Whoever does the best cleaning job gets a special prize." The friends cheered and got ready to clean the kitchen. Danny the dish took charge of washing the dirty dishes in the sink. He hopped into the soapy water and started scrubbing. "Look at me. I'm getting all the plates, bowls, and cups squeaky clean." Dolly the doll grabbed a soft cloth and started wiping down the countertops. "I'll make sure all the crumbs and spills are gone. This kitchen will shine like new." Duke the dog, with his keen nose, found crumbs on the floor. "I'll sweep up all the crumbs and dirt. No more mess on the floor." He picked up a broom and started sweeping, his tail wagging as he worked. Denny the dice decided to help by organizing the utensils and putting them back in their proper places. "I'll make sure all the forks, knives, and spoons are in the right drawers. Everything will be neat and tidy." As they worked, they sang a cheerful cleaning song. Scrub, wipe, sweep, and tidy. Working together, side by side. Why? Cleaning the kitchen, making it bright. Friends helping friends, it's a lovely sight. The friends laughed and sang as they cleaned, making the chore feel like a fun game. Danny the dish scrubbed and rinsed, creating bubbles that floated through the air. Dolly the doll wiped the counters until they gleamed. Duke the dog swept up every last crumb, and Denny the dice made sure all the utensils were in order. Soon, the kitchen was spotless. The sink was empty, the countertops were shiny, the floor was clean, and everything was in its place. The friends gathered together, proud of their hard work. "Wow, look at what we did!" Danny the dish exclaimed. "The kitchen looks amazing." Dolly the doll smiled, her button eyes twinkling. "We did a great job, everyone. Teamwork really makes a difference." Duke the dog barked happily. "Woof! Cleaning was so much fun with all of you." Denny the dice rolled around again, landing on a 5. "And now it's time to see who wins the special prize." The friends looked at each other, wondering what the prize could be. Just then, Mrs. Baker, the kind owner of the house, walked into the kitchen. She saw how clean and tidy everything was and smiled warmly. "Oh my, what a wonderful surprise," Mrs. Baker said. "You all did such a fantastic job cleaning the kitchen. As a special thank you, I have a treat for each of you." She opened a cupboard and took out 4 delicious cookies. "Here you go, Danny, Dolly, Duke, and Denny. You each get a cookie for your hard work and teamwork." The friends cheered and happily accepted their cookies. They sat down together at the clean kitchen table, enjoying their sweet reward. As they munched on their cookies, Danny the dish said, "This was the best cleaning day ever. Not only did we make the kitchen sparkle, but we also had a lot of fun together." Dolly the doll nodded. "And we learned that working as a team makes everything easier and more enjoyable." Duke the dog wagged his tail. "Woof! Let's always help each other, no matter what the task is." Denny the dice rolled once more, landing on a 1. One thing is for sure, friends make everything better. The friends finished their cookies, feeling happy and proud. They knew that no matter what challenges they faced, they could always count on each other. And from that day on, They looked forward to every adventure, knowing that with friendship and teamwork, they could accomplish anything.